This is the last set of points we have to make, and this is by far the most difficult part of the star. If you pick up your star and take a look, you should have 1, 2, 3, 4. You should have 4 ribbons on top. And if I lift those 4 ribbons, you'll be able to see the points. There should be 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Those are my side points. Now we have to make the standing points. It does not matter which side you have. Hold it with red up and down, green sideways. I'm going to take my bottom red one, my bottom right red one, and I'm going to take, and I'm going to turn my hand up, and I'm going to curl my hand and pull it to the right. I am not going to crease it. Do not crease it. Now that it's like that, I'm going to take, curl it over, and it's going to go underneath the green strip. And there's a square there. So again, it's got to go underneath the green strip. And go back again. Take, curl under, and it's got to go underneath the green strip. There's a square there. And what I'm going to do is fish it through underneath, and you'll see where it starts to come out. It'll come out the other point across from it. So I'm going to fish that through, and I'm going to pull gently until it's tight. And what you have is a standing point. Okay? Take, turn 90 degrees clockwise. Now I have a point underneath my green strip. Let the green strip fall up over it. I'm going to do the same thing. Take my hand, and I'm going to curl it to the right, and notice it will lock itself there in a sense. Curl the green over. It's got to go underneath the red. Underneath the red. And it's going to go inside the square with the red strip. So that's what it's going to look like. It's going to go underneath the red strip. Underneath. And I'm going to fish it through. And it will come out the other side. So I'm going to pull that through. And you'll see I have a 4th standing star, or a 2nd standing star. Turn it 90 degrees. Do the same thing. Turn under. I'm going to loop it over underneath the green. Lift up the green, and it's going to go through. Fish it through, and you'll see it will come out this point across. Fish it through, pull tight. Now I have 1, 2, 3 points. Turn 90 degrees to the right, clockwise. This is my last point. There is no red strip that is here. The red strip that's here is this first point. So this red strip, it has to go under. Now is this red point. Turn under, loop the green, and it's going to go in underneath this standing point. You can go under, you just have to fish it through. And notice it will come out the other side. So it's got to go under this first red point. Pull tight, and I have my side points and my standing points. Side view is this. Last thing, we have to flip it and do the exact same thing to the other side. Turn under and go under the red and fish through. And we'll make standing points. Turn 90 degrees. turn under, fish underneath the green, pull tight, turn 90 degrees, turn under, go underneath the red color, fish it through, pull tight, turn 90 degrees, turn under. There is no green strip anymore. The green strip was folded into point number 1. So I turn under, roll over, fish underneath that green point, and fish through. And your star is done. I have standing points, I have side points, and I have points on the other side. The last piece is to take scissors and snip off the thin pieces. So I'm going to fold this back just so you can see what it should look like. So imagine if you take scissors and cut off all those thin strips that you fished through, and that's done. That is your finished star. Done.